Can you share some reasons a court would get involved if there was neglect, like kids having a fight or different parenting preferences amongst exes, lots of threats to lawyers, etc.? Can you advise on how we should be handling these mini fights? That's another good question. Again, I refer back to the Bill Eddy publications. There's some really good things in there about managing high conflict communications and working through co-parenting. So neglect in the legal world literally means neglecting the health, education, or welfare of a child. So hopefully parent conflict and the mini fights that the questioner asked about doesn't really rise to the level of neglect where child protective agencies or court intervention would be warranted or appropriate. But certainly co-parents have to navigate through these things and try to shield your children from them because, as you know, that's very, very harmful to the children to see conflict going on between the parents. So if you can't manage it yourselves by coming up with some communication boundaries and guidelines, seek out a good co-parenting coach. There's a lot of them out there. Even if your co-parent won't engage in co-parent coaching or counseling with you, a co-parent coach can give you some really good advice on how you can manage the situation to the best of your ability, minimize that conflict, and minimize the impact on you and hopefully the impact on your children, using techniques to shield yourself and to learn to sort of deflect and not get drawn in to the tit for tat kind of stuff that may go on with unhealthy communications and mini fights.